my progress report on the roller. It is starting to take shape now. The side cover is fitted, just a test fit to check for the alignment. Back plate is fitted, so it's just the top cover and the engine and the vibrating clutch assembly to fit, and that would be it. So as you can see, top cover starting to be stripped down. The Vibroll decal on it, Stothert and Pitt Vibroll, original. So that'll be done over the week, and then hopefully before the end of the week I'll fit the engine, or test the engine, fit the engine, and do a functional test probably the week after. But as you can see, she's starting to take shape now. It's been fully serviced, fully greased, fully adjusted, and well, that's it for now. I'll do another report next week.